body baby oh, his body baby oh, yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah.
Hey guys, it's your girl Diva Star 213 and I'm back again with another video. This video is super random. I just wanted to get on here and talk to you guys because I did my makeup and I'm quarantined and I don't have anywhere to show off my makeup, so yeah. I'm just getting on quickly just to talk to you guys. I don't really have a topic, but I'm just like so excited for this year to begin. I know it's kind of crazy, and I keep saying for this year to begin. It's already April, and the year has already begun, but we've been doing a lot of being in the house and just like not being able to enjoy this new year yet. It's already April, we're 4 months in, and it's been craziness since we first got here. From the tragedy of Kobe and his daughter to people being sick, and it's just very overwhelming right now because both of those situations affected us all as a nation. And I can say again that we are just really going through a serious like transformation. I hope everybody is like taking this time very seriously and doing what you can to survive it, still have a good time, still, you know, enjoy life. So I wonder what everybody is gonna do, like when we finally get out of quarantine, like what everybody's gonna do. I know me and my friends are talking about like going to the first brunch we see. That seems interesting. We'll probably go to that. I am so ready to get out the house, dress up, just socialize, like go to the movies or getting something at the mall or going to a restaurant or just whatever. I just want to be able to go to a friend's house too without feeling like, oh my goodness, who have they been around? Like, it's just going to be crazy. I think life is going to be completely changed after this. A lot of people are going to be a lot more worried about making sure that they are staying clean and who they're around and like who they associate with and stuff like that, because you're seeing the people that are walking around these streets that are not supposed to be walking around the streets. They're still acting like ain't nothing going on, you know? So yeah, I've seen a couple of my neighbors do that. Like, you know, the only time I really try to leave the house is during the grocery store shopping moments where I need to go to the grocery store or something, or I need to do something for my mother or my grandmother or something like that. But other than that, I've just been in the house, in the stinking house, and I want to get out so that I can create like a lot more and more interesting content. I'm trying to just do the best that I can being in the house. But yeah, I know I'm gonna start my facials back up. I know I want to get a wax. I need a wax. Lord knows. So I need these nails done. Like, I've been looking real bare in these videos. I need these toes done, but I haven't been able to go to the salon just because of all that's going on right now. Obviously, I really want you guys to just like enjoy my new channel. We will not be disappointed because, you know, it's just a different vibe over here and it's 30 and over club. So if you like entertainment on YouTube like I do, YouTube is like a second TV channel for me. Like, if it's nothing on TV, I can surely find something or some people on YouTube that's going to make me laugh or do something funny or, you know, spark my idea about doing something or shopping or whatever the case may be. I really wanted to redo my 30th birthday, but I don't know where I'm going to go because it looks like this whole year is kind of down the drain. But I'm going to hopefully stay positive and hope that at least by September we're going to be like good to like travel and stuff like that, because I have no problem taking my credit that I had for my birthday, my flight credit, and putting it towards something else and going somewhere tropical when the weather starts getting cool again. Because if we lose this entire summer, like, I'm gonna be so hurt. I'm gonna be so hurt. I really want to just like go out and enjoy the summer. I'm rapping. But again, I just want to get on here and talk to you guys quickly. I feel like I'm doing something useful with this makeup. Like, I'm either creating some content or I'm actually going out and going somewhere. Again, I did this makeup and this whole outfit for the Don't Rush challenge. So head over to my Instagram and check out the Don't Rush challenge that I did with me and the rest of my girlfriends. I hope you guys like this video, a little chit chat. Let me know in the comment box below if you like more little chit chats like this from me. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel if you're new. join the Diva Star 213 team, and I can't wait to catch you guys in the next video. Bye. So real quickly, I just did this face for the Don't Rush challenge. Yes, me and my friends are doing the Don't Rush challenge. Don't judge us, but don't rush us. So that's why I'm all beat and dressed up. Like I'm about to go somewhere because we can't go nowhere right now. But that's neither here nor there. But this dress, I've had this for a while. Reuse the dress. I really wanted to have like a vlog or something for you guys, but it's like, what can I really do? There's nowhere to go but to the grocery store. Like I could take us on adventures to the grocery store every time I go, but that's not going to suffice. So yeah. Oh, some other stuff I did today though. I added this picture. I've had this for a while, but I added a picture here and I like it. I'm going with like black and white theme. And then I have this carpet. This carpet. White is what I'm going for. So, ooh. Yep. So I did that. Oh, and I hung one more picture in my bathroom. My bathroom. I don't think it's going to stay here because I already have like the whole idea of what I want my bathroom to look like. This right here. Like, it was just there and a nice orchid. But yeah, so again, I just wanted to come on here real quickly to show my face because I was kind of just doing a quick like get ready with me kind of situation for this Don't Rush challenge, just to give you guys a different look. And these lashes I have on are 3D Link. These are cherry, 3D Link. This is by Cherry Blossom. These are by Cherry Blossom, and then they're 3D Mink lashes. So yeah, these earrings are from Aldo Accessories, and this dress, I believe, is from, I want to say like Windsor, something like that. Really basic blush pink. Mini, however you like to call it. But yeah, I'm just gonna chill. I'm gonna keep this makeup on for a little bit because it's actually cute. And I guess I'll get to editing a video, and then I'm gonna eat.